Ken is a great guy to work with. He's not your boss out there, he's working with you.
You can run this job today. Okay, this is your problem.
Jeez. Well, we got our work cut out for us here.
Yeah, a little bit.
No kidding.
Definitely the biggest job Ken and I have worked on together.
I really don't like this hill. Something that you're not seeing could break or hit you. Because twice as hard to do it in the dark as it is in the daylight. Nasty. It's real nasty.
As night falls near Hope, British Columbia, trucks heavy with logs head down out of the hills.
The logging truck went off the road. We're gonna pass it off to Mission Towing.
A 25-ton wrecker is on its way to the accident.
We're headed up to the east side of Manning Park on Highway 3. We have a logging truck rolled over.
Mission Towing's Ken DePerrin winds his way up a narrow, icy logging road to reach the wreck.
Oh boy, that's a steep hill to get up in there. We're sliding. The road is not that good.
Tonight, Ken has to work in the dark to be off the active logging road by morning.
We're lucky to make it up. Come on, baby. Keep walking, keep walking. I'd like to get this road open here.
Ken's considered a legend in backroad recovery.
In 1971, I started driving tow truck. And I still don't want to get out of it. I still love the heavy towing.
I look up to Kenny Dupron as being one of the best recovery guys in the business.
Here we are. Oh, wow, look at that. That's really in there. Look at where it is. Boy, that's a big job.
The fully loaded logging truck lost traction, left the road, and plunged down into thick trees.
That corner was solid ice. The front tires probably caught the ice, and that's what sent him over. Very dangerous corner.
It's a tall order, even for an off-road veteran. So tonight, Ken's brought in his lead operator, Dylan Greenwood.
Well, what's it look like, Dylan?
A rolled over logging truck.
Yeah, no kidding. He's a good guy to have out there because he's a lot younger and a lot stronger. It makes a big difference.
On the icy logging road,
I'm gonna have to flip it. You're gonna have to pull it, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was going to both the tires and roll it.
Yeah.
Ken and Dylan face their toughest wreck of the winter.
Let's flip it.
Okay.
They'll have to first separate the rear trailer and drag it up the bank.
This one here, I'm just gonna double.
Lines are rigged.
Okay, got it? Okay.
Come in tight.
Yeah, bring her tight. Driver.
Okay.
Dylan releases the hitch that connects the two trailers.
Okay, I'll bring her over. Beautiful.
Let me get in the position up top.
Using two lines, Ken's truck will keep the rear trailer stable, while Dylan pulls it up the slope.
There we go. Okay. Take her away.
Okay.
Let off just a bit, Dylan.
Okay. So those logs are coming with it. Yeah,
We got a log on it.
good. You got 2, 3.
Well, let's see if we can flip this thing.
got it. We got her. Whoa! Oh my gosh.
The trailer is still pinned by logs.
Okay, slide her right out from underneath that log.
Chase with that front line.
Okay. I'm gonna pull it up.
There we go, we're 2 down.
Once that log goes, we'll be better. She's coming really good. Let me slide this right out. There you go. Perfect.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
But this stage of the recovery was the easy part.
Good. Beautiful.
Good.
This next one, that's gonna be a tough one.
It's going to be a very tough pull to get that out of there.
Winch lines from Ken's truck will roll the tractor and trailer, while a single line from Dylan's truck will try to stop the wreck from sliding back down.
Let's hook her down.
I'm gonna tighten the front. Is it ready?
Yep, it's ready. Tension.
Hey, Dylan, get up and tighten yours up for the back.
Yep.
Here, you tight?
Good. Start winching, Kenny.
Okay. How are we looking? Is it coming over even?
We're looking good.
Yeah, I see the whole unit's coming, eh? Don't pull it, Dylan. Don't pull it.
Not pulling.
Just hold it. There we go. It's coming. We got her. We're winning. All right. There we go. Perfect.
Watch full episodes on the Weather Channel and the Weather Channel TV app.